I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place, where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs. The fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. And we will sleep by the ocean, our hearts will move with the tide. And we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. I'm moving far away to a sunny place, where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I mean. I'm moving far away to a sunny place, where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place, where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I mean.
Sabo ada kuya sa ano ko sa pila na eh. Ano? Balik. Ay, ko na si Kuya. Sa madlo ka? Sa madlo ko yung puntang dagat. Hmm? Oh yeah! That's more. I got look on top there. Ay, lutar eh. Đây. Đâu vâng nữa. Morning. Diri lang tayo. Ano dito to sa taas? Look at that.
Ah, yeah. Oh, yo, yeah. Cooling in Jamaica on the white warm sand.
31 degrees.
Sipping on a juice and I get a suntan. If you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm a West Indian. Part of the nation. Born in England and a true African. I'm gonna take it cool for a day. Just feel the waves. Take time for myself to release and orchestrate. I've been working real hard. Now I'm tired and worn. Ain't no buts or maybes. For this I've been waiting long. Now we're cooling in Jamaica on the white warm sand. Sipping on a cocoa and I get a suntan. If you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm a West Indian. Part of the Asian. Born in England and a true African. Life full of greatness. It's wasted if tasted. Yes, I might punch the clock, but still find time to rock. I found my solution to this stress and pollution. I'll go have some fun under the blue skies and sun now. Now we're cooling in Jamaica on the white warm sands. Sipping on a juice and I get a suntan. If you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm a West Indian. Part of the Asian. Born in England and a true African. I'm relaxed but not lazy. Green trees keep me hazy. My vibes is so raised. I truly appreciate. Freedom of the mind is good, and your soul and body too. So live up to the best, and you'll have less regrets. Now we're cooling in Jamaica on the white warm sands. Sipping on a cocoa and I get a suntan. If you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm a West Indian. Part of the Asian. Born in England and a true African. You never know what's a mistake. You never know what's a mistake. I go school in England. I go school in America. You never know what's a mistake. You never know what's a mistake. We're born in England and come live in a Jamaica. Now we're off to Jamaica to the white warm sands. Sipping on a juice and I get a suntan. If you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm a West Indian. But you're the pigeon. Born in England, but a true African. Lord of mercy, something to quench my thirst, Lord, yeah.
Tiga ba? Buang kami.
There's something floating in the air. It hits you like a melody you long to hear. The presence of aloha dancing everywhere, everywhere. There's nothing like a flower lay, the fragrance of a home and a warm embrace. So let it take your heart and your breath away, your breath away. Give me that sweet, sweet, sweet island air. Give me that sweet, sweet, sweet island air. There's people waiting on the road. The island is a place for you to take it slow. So roll down all the windows, let your worries go. Let it flow. Our paradise is never far. Remember, you're not always your guiding star. The feeling of this aina makes you who you are. It's who you are. So give me that sweet, sweet, sweet island air. Give me that sweet, sweet, sweet island air. Although it's always hard to leave, you're never far away from your memories. The spirit of aloha carries on the breeze, so feel the breeze. You can hear it in the cowrie shells. Pukani poo from our kaha swells. Our smiles hide the secret that nobody tells. It's in the island air. You can see it in our waterfalls. In the valley walls. Songs echo out, you can hear the calls. It's in the island air.
of me. A child is born into this world. Now my past is just a part of me. Yeah, we got all our life to live. Everything is better, work together every step of the way. Everything is